I was gifted this fabulous 10-piece set by Chefmate. Each piece is solid stainless steel. The base is beautifully flat for even cooking. The trick to using stainless steel is to line it with a slight bit of oil first before you do any cooking. It has very comfortable handles, so they're very ergonomic. The lids are vented. Each piece is a premium grade stainless steel, so there's less chance of it warping and quite modern looking. Stainless steel cookware holds heat efficiently, so you only have to cook on low to medium, so your food doesn't stick to the bottom of the pans. It has a healthy, non-coated surface, which makes it non-toxic. To help your pots and pans last longer, use soft utensils like silicone, wood, plastic. That prevents any scratching on any of your pots and pans. This set is safe to use on any cooking surface, whether it be electric, gas, glass. It'll work on any of those.